Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. I thought I'd let you know we stopped in Tell City, Indiana. Yes, Tell City, Indiana. I want to thank you deeply for joining me on this tour as well. Like I said, we're going to tell you a little bit about Tell City. And Tell City ain't too far, just down the road from Cannelton, Indiana, where we just stopped. So Tell City is a city in Troy Township, Perry County, which is in the United States of Indiana, along the Ohio River. Tell City traces 150 plus years old roots in meeting in the Cincinnati, Ohio, November 1856. A group of the Swiss German immigrants met there to organize the society known as the Swiss Colonization Society. Its purpose was to obtain affordable homestead for the merchant, shopkeepers, factory workers, and small farmers located were all in the Harmony Tell City Foundation. With this fly won't leave me alone. Get off my head. Tell City was the founders are, like it says, Wide Street. The name for the great person of the military, art and letter and science. The steamboat of the Tell City was built in 1889. The name after Tell City. It was used to carry passengers and freight on the Ohio River until it sank in April 6 of 1917 in Little Hockin, Ohio. The pilot house survived the sinking and is the oldest remaining steamboat pilot house located in the Ohio River Museum in Marietta, Ohio. There has been several notable former residents in the Tell City, Indiana. Krista Blunt, former college basketball star. Wally Brunner, American journalist and television host. Ray Eddy, former college basketball coach of the Purdue Boilermakers. Paul D.E. Get away, fly. See, I can't even do my work. Fourth, Archbishop Tom Cron, former college, University of Kentucky, a professional baseball star for the St. Louis Hawks, Seattle Supersonics, and the Kentucky Colonels. So like I said, we got Bob, man, these flies. We got Bob Lockmuller, former NBA player, college and high school basketball coach. We got Edwin D. Patrick, commander of the 6th Infantry Division, World War II. And we got Bob Pope, a former college basketball coach, head coach of the Vanderbilt St. Louis Rico Owl men's basketball team. This is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in Tell City, Indiana. Spread the word that we're coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. And if these flies don't get off me, make sure you spread the word. This is CJ the Traveler Man coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Peace.